here we're trying to find the x and y intercept of the line, and they give us the equation. The hardest thing about finding x and y intercepts is remembering which one's which. So something kind of foolproof that helps all the time is picture a graph, or just draw one on your paper. It could just be two lines, like really crude little graph, and say, okay, I know what y-intercept means when it's on the y-axis, and I know the x-intercept means a point that's on the x-axis. Now if I actually label these points, this one looks like 0, 7, it's over 0 and up 7. And this one looks like it's back 8 and up 0. Now what does this remind me about? See how for the y-intercept x is 0? Because I'm saying I don't go back and forth any units. I could go up or down any amount and I'd still be on the y-intercept. So it reminds me, oh, for a y-intercept I make x 0, and for an x-intercept I make y 0, just because of the way they would have to be for those points to land right on the axis. For an x-intercept you can't go up and down at all, so y would have to be 0. So you can kind of use that to jog my memory. And so when I come over to my actual equation, I know, okay, if I want to find the, we'll just say, we'll go in order to the question, the x-intercept, that means I want to make y 0. So nice thing about plugging in 0, it just cancels this term out. 9 times 0 is 0. So this says negative 6x equals 14, so divide by negative 6. And this should reduce to negative 7 over 3. Divide them both by 2. Alright, so picture as a point, what does that mean? So negative 7/3, comma 0. When I make y 0, then I get x is this. And I also know that that is the x-intercept. So now I can back up and do the y. And since I had my little graph to jog my memory, I see, oh, for a y-intercept, I want to make x 0. So if I plug 0 in for x, I just get 9y equals 14. And so y equals 14 divided by 9. Divide both sides by 9 to get y by itself. And see how that also reminds me, okay, I put in x is 0. I know this has to be a y value because it says y equals 14 over 9. So I have 2 points, negative 7/3, 0, and 0, comma 14 over 9.